This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable dark mode on the X app, formerly known as Twitter, using an iOS device. I will be using an iPhone for this. Let me jump over to my iPhone here. I have my iPhone opened up now and I am on the Twitter app. To enable or disable dark mode, first thing you want to do is go up to the upper left-hand corner and tap on your profile picture. Then you'll scroll all the way down to the bottom where you see the little sun icon. You want to tap on the sun icon, and that'll bring up dark mode. You have several different choices. The top one, if you want to toggle on dark mode, you would toggle this on. The next one is you could toggle on your device settings, whatever your device is set to. And down below that is theme. Do you want dim or do you want lights out? Dim looks like this. Lights out looks like this. That is how to enable or disable dark mode on the X app using an iOS device. Thanks for watching.